In a colorful, lively jungle lived a little ant. She was not very pretty or noticeable, but everyone respected her for her intelligence, hard work, and sense of duty. Every day she gathered food, solved problems, and did everything for her colony. One day, while working, she saw the peacock, walking around royally, his shiny, colorful feathers sparkling in the sunlight. She saw the butterfly floating through the air, flying from flower to flower, and the squirrel was running quickly along the trees, climbing up and down so smoothly as if it was no effort at all. The little ant felt sad. If only I had such feathers. If only I could fly like her. If only I could run that fast. Day by day, these thoughts filled her mind. She no longer enjoyed her work. She didn't feel the same excitement anymore. Slowly, she started to think of herself as small and unimportant. Just then, suddenly the sky broke open and rain poured down. A terrible storm came and changed the whole look of the jungle. Strong winds, heavy rain, the cracking of trees filled the forest. The animals the ant once envied were now in the worst trouble. The butterfly's wings became soaked and heavy. She couldn't fly anymore. The squirrel's nest was blown away by the wind. The peacock's feathers got wet and drooped down, losing all their beauty. But the ants were safe in their underground home. They had been preparing for a long time, so the storm did not harm them much. The little ant realized something for the very first time. She was actually very strong. Her heart was filled with kindness. Instead of jealousy, she now thought about helping. She called all the ants in the colony and said, "Let's go help them." All the ants went out together. They carried food, brought dry leaves to make shelter, helped to dry the butterfly's wings, and built a new nest under the trees. The butterfly shivered and said, "Without you, I might not have survived." The squirrel said, "Your teamwork helped me stand up again." The peacock wiped his tears and said, "Today I realized outer beauty isn't everything." The little ant's heart filled with joy. The very qualities she once thought were small, now she saw they were her biggest strengths. Hard work, teamwork, compassion, these are what make her truly great. Her eyes opened. She smiled, a confident smile, after a long time. Now she works hard like before, but with a new joy. She knows that inside her tiny body is a huge heart, capable of great things. Have you ever wanted to be like someone else? Maybe you felt small, seeing someone's looks, talents, or life. This story reminds us that each of us, or even each creature, has something special inside. True strength is not beauty, talent, or fame, but kindness, compassion, and the will to use our gifts to help others. You have that strength too, no matter how small or weak you think you are. One good deed, one helping hand, one kind word can bring light into someone's life. So from today, choose love, not jealousy. Discover your own gifts and use them to stand by others. Because even a tiny ant can do something great if it has a big heart.